This stunning porch was commissioned with style and refinement in mind. Its style was chosen to look natural without looking out of place in a contemporary setting. The natural look begins with 5 grand 8x8 cedar columns, treated with resin to retain its organic color. They're flanked by a screen-ease screening system that lacks the handrails most porches have. This provides an unobstructed view and an unmatched clean look. Black screens, lighting fixtures, and door and window trim match that of the home and contrast well with the cedar columns and roof. This porch's interior has a matching tongue-and-groove cedar roof, outfitted with 2 designer ceiling fans and 6 adjustable recess lights. These electrical elements are controlled via a next-generation dual remote system. Call design builders today for your free consultation.